So today we're going to take a look at the RAINPOINT 2-zone water timer. This model number is ITV205. I'm going to unbox it, set it up and demonstrate a couple of the features. So this does have separate programmable zones. So the sprinkler timer has two large outlets. The flow rate is 5 to 35 liters per minute. It allows you to customize the watering schedule from start time, frequency and runtime per zone, giving you complete control over watering each of your areas in your yard, your lawn, and basically will allow you to water your lawn evenly, efficiently and effortless. All of this. So let's get this open, let's take a look at it, and then let's go set it up. Okay, so let's start by getting the box open and getting the product out and checking out what comes in the box with it. Now again, this is the RAINPOINT 2-zone water timer. This is perfect if you have lawns or gardens that you want to automate and you don't want to have to be outside every day, especially through summer. And you know, if you forget to water your plants one day, it's not great. So it does come with a little bit of plumber's tape for you to connect it to your faucet if necessary. And then it does come with the instructions. It has a full instruction manual, then it has this nice quick start instructions, which will obviously just get you moving a lot quicker. The actual 2-zone timer itself just comes in some bubble wrap and a little bit of cardboard. It's all very neat. I was a bit silly here. I thought I had to take this off to get the second piece of cardboard off, but I didn't. It just comes off. It does have a little tag for you to write your schedule on it, so you can remember what the schedule is you set, if that's something you need to do. And then this is the actual RAINPOINT 2-zone water timer itself. It's very sturdy. It is made of a plastic, but it's a very sturdy plastic. Definitely will last outside. Now it does take two AAA batteries. This does not come with it, so you will have to purchase those separate. Luckily, I just have some in my house. These are very common batteries, so. Then once I got the batteries in, as you can see, it now turns on. You will have to set the time and obviously set it all up. So you do have some different features on there that we will go through. Basically, how many days, how long, which zone, and it will just automate everything. So I just connected it to the faucet outside, super easy. I didn't use the plumber's tape, I didn't need it, but you know, it is there in case you do need it. And then what I did is I just went through the features real quick and just got myself familiar with it. I did turn the faucet on, so as you can see, no water's coming out, it's not leaking. Then you can start seeing everything of how often, if it be every so many hours or how many days per week, every 9 days, 7 days, every 5 hours. Then you can select how long, so you can water your garden for hours or minutes. I set it down just to 1 minute for this example, and then press the OK manual button. So I did set the time to 8:59 and I set the timer for 9. So as you can see, at 9 o'clock exactly it turned on and then started counting down that 1 minute. I'm not gonna let it run for a whole minute. It is summer here. I don't want to waste too much water. So just turning it to off, it turned off. Now the other way you can actually use this is manual. So instead of using the timer setup that you have, you can just switch it to on, and then you can just hold down OK, and that will actually manually turn it on for whichever zone you want, and you can then still select how long you'd like it to come on for and run and operate. So again, I did turn that off. The last thing I did want to test is switching to zone 2, so you could see what zone 2 was. So I did the same thing, except I switched it to zone 2. And there you go. Okay, so let's round it all up. The automatic settings can be set for your water duration of 1 minute to 3 hours and 59 minutes. And the frequency can be set between 1 hour to 12 hours and 1 day and 7 days. So it really does allow you to be flexible and customized for your garden needs. And then we have the manual settings. So you can switch between zone 1 and zone 2, and you can actually use both the zones at the exact same time. So it does make it really super straightforward and actually effective to use for, you know, quick and easy watering when it's needed. You can just turn it on. You don't have to wait for the timing features to kick in. The other features that it has, it does have a rain delay. So it can be set for, well, it can be done for 24, 48, and 72 hours. So basically, if it does rain and you want to postpone your schedule for 24 hours, you can just press that, set that up. And it does have a nice inbuilt filter. It's metal at the top. It does help, clean that water. And if the batteries need to be charged, a low battery notice will let the user know. And the valve will actually automatically close if the battery is too low. So that rounds out the RAINPOINT 2-zone water timer. I have put a link below for the product. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more reviews like this.